let's hit it. How to overcome laziness, right? Um, People are wasting their lives being lazy. So much that it could be accomplished, so much you could do. Um, and then I'm just gonna let laziness take over. Not ideal for a successful lifestyle, for someone that want to live the life and enjoy every moment. Um, they're not even asleep as much. They want to reduce the time that they sleep by like an hour, like from 8 to like 7, 6:30, so they gain like an hour and a half or more per day, so they can live more. Um, it goes with all the things involved with uh, person development. It starts with your blueprint. With your goals that is gonna you're gonna have like a purpose to get up early to do more things, right? A sense of urgency. You're gonna create that. You don't want to waste time. You want to um, take the priceless time that we have, which you cannot buy time. After today, you're not gonna come back tomorrow, and there's nothing that you can do. It doesn't matter how much money you have. It's two things that people gotta take very serious. That when you are lazy, you're not able to do those things very well, which is taking care of your healthy. Usually, people that are lazy, they overweight. They not, if you are exercising, you're going to the gym, you're already gonna kill your laziness about a bunch, right? If not everything, and then. Um, if you're overweight, you're not healthy. Being healthy is something that is priceless. Also, um, you cannot buy health, right? You cannot buy time, and then you're wasting the time of your life. The priceless thing you have, which is your life. Then it's not great. Like your life won't be good by being lazy, right? And you could be surviving, doing what you have to do to maintain your stuff, but you're far away from like succeeding, being lazy, because it's going to be so much after um, um, like surviving that you got to do, that is more than just surviving, that the laziness is going to take over and not let you do it. So uh, laziness is a very big problem when it comes to being successful. Like, it's hard to be successful and be a lazy person, right? It's not just hard; it's like impossible. You ain't gonna be successful if you're lazy. So, uh, other ways to overcome being lazy is wanting to succeed in life. Those that those that are succeeding in life, they ain't got no room for being lazy. They work out, they take care of their health, they're not overweight, and they looking to do more with the days that they have. They looking to accomplish more. They're always looking for more and more and more, and they get goals done. They set more goals, and then life goes on, right? And they are doing so much with their life to the point that they don't even want to think about being lazy. So that's what I have for you guys about overcome laziness. Start with your purpose, and that would drive you to uh, start doing different things, living a different way. Thank you. See you in the next one.
Give it to me like